If you're looking for jumbo wall clocks, here's a collection you've got to see. New and popular 2017 Jumbo Wall Clocks. Number 1, most popular, by Marathon. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, by Mochiglory. Number 3, by Marathon. For more details about this great wall clocks, just click this circle. Number 4, by Crosse Technology. Number 5, by Marathon. Find these jumbo wall clocks at up to 70% off by clicking the description below. Number 6, by Crosse Technology. Number 7, by Goatland. Click the circle in the corner to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by Marathon. Number 9, by Ambient Weather. Discover more jumbo wall clocks ideas and items to explore, click the circle. Number 10, by Tasteful Home Decor.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.